Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to submit rent on Flex. First, unlock your phone and open the Flex app. Log in with your email and password if you are not already signed in. On the home screen, you will see your rent amount, due date, and payment schedule. Make sure all the details are correct before submitting your rent. Flex use a bank account or debit card to process your rent payment. If you haven't added one yet, tap Add Payment Method and follow the steps to connect it. When your rent period begins, Flex will either automatically submit your rent based on your schedule or ask you to tap Pay Now or Submit Rent, start the payment. Once submitted, Flex brings process your rent. Tap Payment or History in the app to see the status of your rent. You will see if the payment is pending, completed, or upcoming. Always make sure you have enough fund in your account on payment date to avoid delays or fees. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.